Tumayong buong tapang harapin ang buhay, akapin ang tagumpay. Tulungan ang kapwa't bigyang halaga, wag hatakin ng pababa. Isipin wag sana ang sarili lang, pakisama't bayanihan. Subukan nating isulong at ligawan ang magandang bukas. Ikaw at ako magkasama tayo, salubungin ang kinabukasan.
Dase, in Tagalog, panig, is the main fabric material of this masterpiece. The corn represents the Tomasenian fertile soul on our hardworking farmers. Crown symbolizes the devotion and high spirituality of Tomasenian, showcasing the talent and culture of Santo Tomas, Pangasinan. So, I am wearing the festivity inspired by the Mais Festival. This masterpiece was created by Christian Mark Javierto to simplify that the trans woman like me has become more transformative, that has broken the stereotype of beauty standards and equality. And the trans woman like me mirrors culture, experience, love, acceptance, respect, and life. Beads in my shoulder represent modernized, innovative, just like our modern day empowered, the LGBT+. This shows our freedom is one of the most important in our blood bubble, but also by our inner power, pure heart, and resilience as trans women that we are worth fighting for. Aya and Cheta Bilyapa, 2-1, proudly represent Barangay San Miguel.